Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your app in Lovable. So deploying your app in Lovable is fast and beginner friendly. No servers, no DevOps, just a few clicks to make your app live. Here's how you can do it step by step. Go to lovable.dev and sign in with your account. You can use GitHub, Google to log in instantly. Once you're in, you will see your app dashboard where all your projects are listed at the bottom. So scroll down and from the Lovable dashboard, select the app that you want to deploy. For example, I will choose this one. Now, if you haven't created one, you can do it quickly just by tapping in what kind of app you want and it will build it and you'll be taken to this page. Now, on this page, link your GitHub repository by clicking on this GitHub icon and clicking Connect GitHub. Now choose Connect Project and choose a GitHub organization. And if you don't have any organization connected yet, click on Manage Organizations and choose Add Organizations. Now simply enter the credentials of the GitHub account that you want to connect to. And after that, you will see a GitHub organization added. Now, simply click on Connect Project, choose a GitHub organization that you have added and click on Transfer Anyway. So basically connect to project and the main branch and Lovable will auto-detect your framework and generate the deployment pipeline for you. This ensures every push to your main branch can trigger an automatic redeploy. Now, go to Settings tab and click Environment Variables and add API keys, database URLs or any secrets your app requires. These are encrypted and securely stored within Lovable, so you don't have to manage them manually. Now, hit deploy button. So, click on the publish icon at the top and here you'll have to make sure that everything is correct in this page and click on the publish icon. After you do this, your website will be live and the build logs appear in real time, so you can monitor progress or troubleshoot if something fails. Once the deployment finishes, Lovable gives you a preview URL where you can test everything. If it looks good, click Publish to make your app live on a custom Lovable subdomain or connect your own domain in the settings. After deployment, you can view performance, analytics, logs, and version history directly in your Lovable dashboard. You can even roll back to previous builds with one click if needed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.